Today we are looking at a Strong Scott feed mixer. This unit has been completely rebuilt. We disassembled this unit, sandblasted it, repainted it, went over all of the wear components, checked everything over. We installed a brand new 10 horsepower 3-phase electric motor on this unit. Again, that motor is brand new. It is 230 volts, 460 volts, 3-phase. We can see down inside of the mixing chamber. This unit is very clean. The ribbon is in good shape. You can see the thickness of the ribbon here. That is every bit of 3/8 of an inch thick. This unit has seen very little work. We made this safety grate to cover up the in-feed opening of the mixer. It's easily removable. You can see that it just sits in there. We're going to do a walk around of the unit so you can see it, and then we will be talking about the specifications of this unit, like the dimensions and the weight, as well as the dimensions of the mixing chamber and the ribbon. Again, this unit is completely rebuilt. We went through this unit, checked over all of the wear components, put new gaskets on the mixing chamber. We thoroughly sandblasted this unit to make it clean. We repainted it. This unit is in nice condition now. We fabbed this safety shield here to keep everything safe. This encloses the belt and the gearbox. Also makes maintenance easy while allowing you to still get at the gearbox fill plug there. You can see it right there at the end of my finger. That allows you to add oil to the gearbox as needed. We put all new drive belts on this unit. I will cut in footage of the guard removed and the mixer in the shop. Alright, I've removed the safety shield off of the front of the mixer so you can see the new belts that we put on. They're brand new. You can see the gearbox here. Everything turns freely. I'm doing this by hand. I took the liberty of writing the RPM that this pulley should turn, as well as the direction on the front of the pulley. I've also put it on the gearbox, and the gearbox is an 8-to-1 ratio. This motor is brand new, as you can see. Turns freely. There are no irregular noises. Turns easy enough to be done by hand. You can see the top of the motor there. You can see behind the gearbox here, everything is very clean on this unit. The gearbox has this fill plug right here. It also has a level indicator. If you turn out on this little plug right here, if you turn it to the left, it will open up and oil will drip out. This is the level indicator of the gearbox, so if it comes out when you open up this plug, your oil level is good. It also has a drain plug on the unit. You can see it right there. The oil in this gearbox is fresh. This is the top of the mixer here. It has 2 sheet metal plates covering the top. And then of course it has this in-feed grate here. So this is where you would charge the mixer with product. You could also cut holes in these sheets or remove them completely depending on your application. The pinion gate is very easy to open and close. I'm doing it with one hand. You can see here, that is closed. And then to open it, I just turn it the other way. As I said before, it turns very easy. I'm going to stick the camera up into the bottom here. You can see the bottom of the discharge, hopefully. It's very clean. Everything is in good shape. You can see the underside of the mixer here. The bottom of the mixer is in good shape. There's no dents or anything that would cause the ribbon to rub on the inside of the mixing chamber. You can see the top of the guard here. Now this guard has these lift points and it is secured by 4 bolts. So there's a bolt there and there, as well as 2 others on the other side. You would remove these safety covers here with just some screws and then 2 bolts down there. Then the guard would come up and off, and that allows you to tighten your belts, check everything over, makes maintenance very easy. Now we are going to fire this unit up for you. Okay, here you can see the unit running. It fires right up. That brand new motor has a lot of power, plenty of power on startup. It hums right along. There are no irregular noises. Again, we ordered this motor brand new for this unit. It is a 10 horsepower, 3-phase. You can see the gearbox pulley turning inside there. Hums right along. There are no irregular noises. You can see down inside of the mixing chamber here. Now, because the sun is so bright, I can't really see what's on my phone screen, but hopefully that's focused and you can see it turning around in there. You can see the end bearing here. Again, we put on all new seal gaskets on each end of the mixer. All of the wear components have been checked over. We completely rebuilt this unit, inspected all of the wear components, thoroughly cleaned it, and sandblasted this unit. We repainted it. This unit was inside its whole life. We bought it from the original owners. They used it to mix up small batches of grass seed. That's why the ribbon is in good shape. It shows very little wear. The sheet metal is good on this unit as well. The bottom is thick. This unit has a lot of life left in it. It has seen light use. This unit just hums along. There are no irregular noises, no scraping, no rubbing, no squeaks. Everything just runs nice and smooth. Again, the sun is so bright out here I can't see what's on my phone screen, so hopefully everything is turning out nicely. Just gonna let it run here for a few minutes. Give you guys a thorough walk around. This unit is in excellent condition. It's ready to go to work and run for a long time. Again, this unit saw very little use. It was always maintained. They had a maintenance crew there that kept everything up. The gearbox has been checked. It's been filled with fresh oil. See into the mixing chamber again. See from end to end. It's just an all-around nice unit, ready to go back to work and run for a long time. Now we are going to discuss the dimensions and specifications of this unit. All right, I have measured the height of this unit. So from the concrete to the top of the guard there at the highest point is 80 inches. Bear in mind this unit is on 6x6 blocks. All right, I have measured from end to end on this mixer. So from this end to the opposite end It is 148 inches in length. All right, I have measured the width of this unit. So from this side to the opposite side is 45 inches. Okay, I have measured the width and the length of the in-feed opening here. It is 40 inches in length by 33 inches in width. All right, I have measured the width of the mixing chamber. It is 40 inches from this point to the opposite point. All right, I have measured the length. This is the internal dimension of the mixing chamber. The mixing chamber is 105 inches in length from that end of the mixing chamber to that end of the mixing chamber. These are the internal dimensions of the mixing chamber. The depth of the mixing chamber from the bottom to the top edge of the mixing chamber is 44 inches. The distance from the bottom of the mixing chamber to the top of the mixing ribbon is 40 inches. The diameter of the mixing ribbon is 39 inches from this point to the opposite point down there. The diameter of the mixing ribbon is 39 inches. The approximate length of the mixing ribbon is 100 inches. That is 100 inches from the end of the ribbon on that end of the mixing chamber to the end of the ribbon on this end of the mixing chamber. All right, we are going to list the dimensions of the discharge. This is where the feed is discharged out the mixer after it is mixed. It is 16.5 inches in width. So going this way, it is 16.5 inches. And running this way, it is 16.5 inches in length. The approximate weight of this unit is 2,500 pounds. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching.